Oh boy. This is like the 10th one I've seen in a space of 10 minutes. This is John in Los Angeles. It's something. January 26th, 2021. Look at this. I don't think these are planes. I think they're drones for sure. I mean, look at them. They look like plastic models up there. When I've been to the airport and see planes taking off, you look underneath them, there's all kinds of logos and oil stains and all that stuff. You don't see any of that here. He's pretty damn low, too. I shouldn't be able to get this close. I can get closer, but if I could stay with him, it'd be nice. Oh boy. How much proof do we need that they're dumping something in our air? How much proof? How many people are doing the same thing I am? You know, and yet nothing happens at all. No news talks about it, but they'll scare you with this BS illness that's going around, supposedly. All right, there we go. This is enough of this guy. You sick of looking at him yet like I am? All right, I'm out. Bite me, you freak.